I'll take a quick picture or video of where I got to. This is looking down the coastline, kind of south. Easy hike and a big payoff. Amazing. Got big, huge $1 million estates right below me. No wind. Perfect weather. Nice. There's a big blimp out there over the ocean. That's downtown Santa Barbara down in there in the mesa. And I can see all the way up to the bell tower on the UC Santa Barbara campus. And just beautiful. I scored the best place in town to have my lunch. So I'm going to kick it and click some pictures.